Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you how to use CapCut to create videos. So just in case you didn't see what the logo looks like, it's CapCut. You can get it for free. There's a free version. I think I just upgraded to the paid version, but you can do so much stuff in the free version. So there's two types of projects that I do. One, I'm either going to do a new project, which you control everything, or there's templates where they kind of have
What's
all
poppin'?
this type of stuff.
Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options.
So yeah, so you can, it just does all these type of, so these are cool. I use them sometimes if I want to record a little bit quicker, if I'm doing just more image stuff or like TikToks, but a lot of times I like to do like it's not long form, but like a minute and a half. This video will be a little bit longer, but I'm just going to go and show you how to do the longer one. So there's templates and then there's edit. So I'm gonna go new project. And what I'm doing this project for is I drop off, if you don't know, I make clothes. And so this was a drop off to a youth football team, a Pop Warner football team. So I went, and as I was just dropping them off, I just took video of the clients, the coaches, some of the kids playing. So this is how I use CapCut to create content. So I don't want to start. So if you see like this video that I just clicked, that's probably the first one that I took, but I'm not going to start there. I want to start with something more interesting so that people watch the whole video. So I believe like one of these, he says something pretty cool. I think this might be this one. Let's see.
Cole, he said he gonna put something on. He said he gonna put something on.
So
He
it's
said he
not
gonna put
this one.
something.
I think it's this one.
You see the duffel bag? We do duffel.
Yeah, it's this
Oh,
one.
he
So
gonna
I'm
put some stuff in it? He gonna put some stuff in it? Uh-oh. He's putting the glasses back
Hey,
on.
all you other organizations
So boom.
that be biting and copying, hey man, get your own swag, man.
Hey, hold
get
on,
your
what's
own
this?
swag.
The battle? The battle
Come
joint?
on, bro. Come on,
So I'm gonna
bro.
start
Hey,
with that.
Rome,
I'm
what
done.
you doing?
Federal League?
Federal?
So I'm gonna start with that. Boom. Right there.
The duffel bag? We do duffel. Oh, he gonna put some stuff in it?
So I'm not going to
He
go
gonna
through
put
the
some
whole
stuff in
video,
it?
but I'll just show you the basics.
He's putting the glasses back
Hey,
on.
all you other organizations that be
Biting.
biting.
So boom, right there. I'm gonna start with that. Now there's so much you do. I'm gonna keep this tutorial fairly short.
The duffel
I'm gonna
bag?
just
We
show
do
you
duffel.
how I can
Oh, he gonna put some
flip
stuff in
this.
it? He gonna
I'm
put
gonna
some
add
stuff
more
in
to
it?
it. I'm gonna add more videos. I'm
He's
gonna
putting
show
the
you
glasses back
Hey,
on.
all you
how
other organizations.
I'm gonna flip this. So boom.
Uh-oh.
So right here, that's like a vocal point. So I'm gonna split it. Then I'm gonna add. You can add a right here. You can add a transition. Again, I have Pro, so I can do whatever. But I'll do it free. I'll do everything free. So boom, you see how it's.
He's putting the glasses.
So the reason that I kind of count to five, people have a very short attention span. So I kind of count to five, and I always have like some kind of jump every 5 seconds. So like one,
The duffel bag? We do
two,
duffel.
three,
Oh, he gonna put some stuff in
4,
it?
5.
He gonna put
It's
some
pretty
stuff in
interesting.
it?
So you can even go to 10 seconds.
He's putting the
Boom.
glasses back on.
All you
1,
other
2, 3,
organizations
4,
that be
5. He's
biting
saying a
and
message.
copying. Hey man, get your own swag, man.
Hey, hold
get
on,
your
what's
own
this?
swag.
The battle? The
I'm
battle
gonna show
joint?
you something cool. So with just this video, I can add like an overlay. So I'll show you. I want to go to Safari, and there's the dude. There's like so many GIFs and memes of people looking confused. So watch. So confused, confused meme. I'm just gonna go to the images, and I'm just gonna go to him, and I only want this guy. So I'm gonna save the photos, and then I have this remove background. It's remove BG. Just look for it. You can use any app to remove a background. Just Google it. But I've kind of just learned how to use this one. I'm gonna upload that image I just showed you. So CapCut, this is what I'm showing you. I'm just kind of showing you how I would do a video. So it's gonna remove the background for me. Now the background's removed. And save to photos. And then boom, I'm gonna go back into CapCut and watch.
He's putting the glasses back
Hey,
on.
all you other organizations
Biting.
that be biting and copying. Hey man, get your own swag, man.
So right there, I like that. Get your own swag.
Get
Watch.
your own swag, man.
Hey, hold
Get
on,
your
So you see now I have this PNG, and I'm just gonna have it pop in real quick, just because it reminds that it's that confused look. And then you could go, so you see it just comes out of nowhere.
Get your own swag, man.
Hey, hold
Get
on,
your
what's
own
when you
this?
click
The
on
battle?
something,
The battle?
so you can see certain things are going on in the
Hey,
video.
hold on, what's this? The
So
battle?
right when he
The battle?
says, hold on, I'm gonna get rid of
Hold
it.
on, what's this? The battle? The battle?
Come on.
So then boom, split, delete. Now I'm gonna add, you can add animation, excuse me. I'm gonna use a free one. I like bouncing.
Hey,
Boom. I'm gonna add a little bit
Hey,
more
hold on,
to
what's
it,
this?
and then it's gonna disappear.
The duffel bag? We do
Then
duffel
I would
bag. Oh,
add
he
a
gonna put
bunch
some
of
stuff in
clips
it?
and things
He
like
gonna
this.
put
I'm
some
just showing
stuff
you
in
the
it?
basics.
Uh-oh. He putting the glasses back
Hey,
on?
all you other organizations that be biting and copying, hey, man, get your own swag, man.
Hey, hold
Get
on,
your
what's
own
this?
swag.
The battle? The battle?
Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Hey, Rome!
So then boom. So you see all that. Then he gives it to a kid. I'm gonna show that. I would add that clip. So if you want to add a clip, boom, like him had
Creek, get with it, get lost. That's what I say. Florida bound. Florida bound. Creek, get with it,
I would
get
just keep
lost.
this.
That's what I say.
I'm gonna go to trim.
Florida bound. Florida
And it
bound.
fits in because there's
Creek.
that. I don't need Florida bound. I just like what he says. So I don't need that. I just need the towel. So then boom, I'm gonna add that now.
Creek, get with it, get lost. That's what I say.
And he,
Creek.
so that part I don't like because you can't tell what he's saying. So I'm gonna split it. Split right there. I'm gonna get rid of that one little part. Delete that now.
Get with it, get lost. That's what I say.
So boom. So it's quick. I'm gonna add a little quick transition. Maybe like something
Creek,
cool.
get with it, get
And then I'm gonna go into
I'm done.
Creek, get with it,
the
get lost.
beginning of the video. Sometimes CapCut automatically adds that. I always delete that. Then I'm gonna add kind of the beginning right here.
Quick drop off and unboxing. Got some stuff for Coyote Creek. Let's see what it looks like.
So now I'm gonna start at the beginning, but I'm just gonna stop there and just kind of
Quick.
So now people are engaged. They know what it's about to be. They've kind of seen some of the stuff, and then I give like some lessons. But I'll show you a couple more cool features, and then we'll be done with this lesson. So the next cool feature that I use a lot is you click on text, you go to auto captions, and you could just pick one of the free ones. Go to start. I always use. So it's gonna get your captions. I always use. You click on it. You press style. Since there's a lot of red in here, I'm going to make that final one red, and I'm going to trace it in black. You change it to red. Boom, now it's red because of the Coyote Creek. And I use one font on everything just so that my videos kind of have that same look. It's like palette or palette or something. Boom, right there. And I'm good. Now my video has words.
The duffel bag? We do duffel bag? Oh, he gonna put some stuff in it? He gonna put some stuff in it? Uh-oh. He putting the glasses back
Hey,
on?
all you other organizations that be biting and copying, hey, man, get your own swag, man.
Hey, hold
Get
on,
your
what's
own
this?
swag.
The battle? The battle?
Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Hey, Rome!
I'm
What
done.
you
Creek, get with it, get lost. That's what I say.
Quick drop off and unboxing.
So you see it's transitioning. There's stuff popping up. So I'll show you. And then the last thing I would do to this is I kind of like this image right here, right? It doesn't really show anything, but I'll call this the drop off text template. I'll find something that really fits, something with some red. I have pro, but we could use something free, something that has some red in it. I'm actually going to use a pro one just because it's red.
All you other organizations,
I'm gonna
all
put.
you other organizations,
I'm just gonna go here.
hey, all you other organizations,
Drop off, and then boom, and I'll just do it just like this, and that's gonna be when I click on what's my cover. It's gonna be here,
hey, all you other
and that's how it's gonna
organizations.
look. And then that's it. I would post this when it says pick a title. It'll be something like I'm gonna move this up just a little bit more. I want